Kwa kanyo ni jopuonjre ma kwangi ohewo milion 4.5 biro chuno ni osom maonge geno mar chiemo e sikul e seche ma odiechieng'. Maendi bang' migawo mar somo yango ni omenda ma yande oketi ne chenro no ogol oko e bajet mar omenda manyien mar higa mar 2024 nyaka 2025. Jagoro mongirore migawo mar somo Belio Kipsang mane olose e nyim komiti mar somo olero ni omenda maromo siling bilion 4.9 ma yande oketi tenge ne chenro mar chiemb jopuonjre ogol oko e bajet.
The Constitution gave Parliament the authority and power to appropriate. So we are asking this House to appropriate resources to feed our children, because that is the responsibility of this House.
So on the issue of the school feeding program, we are with you 100%. And I'm actually shocked, and I wish your counterpart was here to answer this issue on what informed him on this removal of this money.
As a government, we made that promise that it shall even be increased. And in fact, we went ahead and told that it will not only be in the ASAL areas, but even in slums across the country. So maybe we need to get to know the bottom of this by getting to know the reasons why.